Boldly redefining fall beauty for 2025, this season's makeup trends promise to transform your look with fresh, edgy, and surprisingly wearable styles. From the smoky depth of smudge liner to the soft satin glow of skin, the runways and beauty experts are pushing boundaries and inviting you to experiment. But here's where it gets controversial. Some trends challenge conventional notions of beauty, like bleached brows and bold blue eyeshadow. Are you ready to embrace these daring shifts? 1. Tight lines that pack a punch. Romero Jennings, the head of makeup artistry at MAC, has crafted a look he insists suits everyone. Bold black eyeliner tightly defining the eyes. Inspired by influencers like Gabliette and Julia Fox, both iconic MAC muses, this style encircles the eyes in deep kohl liner for a sultry, grunge-inspired effect. Achieving this intense waterline look requires a soft, glide-on kohl pencil, such as MAC's Eye Kohl in Smolder. To soften and add dimension, blending the edges with a bronze shade like MAC Eye Kohl in Teddy creates subtle warmth and depth. The beauty of kohls is their incredible smudgeability, meaning you can enhance the look without harsh tugging on delicate skin. For longer wear, gently pressing a black eyeshadow over the liner sets it firmly, much like how you lock in foundation with powder. An easy trick to keep your liner flawless all day. 2. Gilded eyes with a touch of glam. While matte shadows and natural skin remain popular, there's a rising trend for carefully placed shimmers in precious metallic hues. Think gold and silver. Legendary makeup artist Dick Page, known for avant-garde looks at Collina Strata, demonstrates how a simple swipe of a shimmer eyeshadow stick on the inner corner of the eyelids can effortlessly elevate your style. Using a product like Ilia Eye Stylish Shadow Stick adds a refined editorial flair without overwhelming the face. If that feels too bold for daily wear, simply sweeping a metallic shade across your entire lid can make your eyes dazzle subtly. 3. Blue Dream. Not your average neutral. Surprising many, blue is making a bold comeback this fall, standing out among the usual neutral tones showcased at Fashion Week. At Sandy Liang, models wore vibrant blue eye makeup paired with minimal skin coverage and relaxed hairstyles, defying the expectation that blue is hard to pull off. Makeup artist Alex Levy cites inspiration from 1960s glam and Serge Lutens's Dior ads, where color complemented the complexion holistically instead of starkly contrasting. Try an opaque blue liquid eyeshadow like Trixie Cosmetics Play Pigment for an intense effect with minimal layering. Or, for a softer approach, dust shimmery blue on your lids, inner corners, or lower lash line to add a pop of cool color. 4. Maroon Eyeliner. Geometry meets modern edge. Designer Christian Siriano's fall runway reflected his fascination with aerodynamic car shapes, translating this into sharp, geometric eye makeup. Makeup artist Vincent Okendo used maroon eyeliner on the upper lids paired with black on the lower lash line to mirror the style's strength and precision. Using a deep, rich color like Revlon Color Stay Liner in Mischief Maker, this look adds a sophisticated, moody twist that is both powerful and modern. It's a daring choice that redefines the classic winged liner and is perfect for those who want an impactful yet wearable statement. 5. Cooling off with matte gray shadows. Cool-toned makeup is unmistakably on the rise. While some looks lean into grunge, such as at Luar with smoky grays and blacks, others dial down the intensity for everyday elegance. Tory Burch's show featured lids dusted in cool matte gray tones, creating a smoky eye alternative that feels fresher and more contemporary than traditional browns. For beginners, palettes like Hung Van Gogh Beauty's composed cool eyeshadow palette, packed with varying matte and shimmer grays, are a fantastic way to start exploring this trend. 6. Soft focus the blur effect on skin. Say goodbye to the intense glass skin glow. 2025 shifts towards a more muted, blurred complexion. This doesn't mean dullness. Think of soft focus, cloud-like skin textures seen at Michael Kors, where minimal makeup highlights natural beauty. Instead of full matte finishes, look for products that gently diffuse light to smooth imperfections while maintaining a natural feel. Pat McGrath Labs Longwear Blurring Setting Spray is an excellent product to finish your routine, as it melts away powdery residue and leaves a subtle softness without shine. 7. Wine-stained lips that last through everything. Lip stains continue to reign, perfectly blending effortless wear with rich, fall-appropriate hues. Carolina Herrera's runway showed models with glossy, berry-toned lips that effortlessly mix grunge energy with elegance. The beauty of lip stains is their longevity. You can sip your coffee or pumpkin spice latte without constant reapplication, making them practical as well as stylish. This trend invites you to embrace a bold lip without the fuss. 8. Bleached brows, a bold brow statement. Bleached brows are sparking debate. Alex Levy points out that the most successful bleached brows fade naturally into the skin, giving a camouflaged, ethereal effect rather than a stark, artificial look. Importantly, brow bleaching suits every skin tone, and the professional touch at a salon ensures this trend is executed safely and beautifully. It's a provocative shift away from traditional, full brows, challenging us to rethink what framed eyes can look like. So what do you think? Are you ready to dive into this new era of makeup where boundaries are pushed and classic rules are rewritten? Which trend excites you most, and are there any you'd hesitate to try? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Meet the experts behind these trends. Alex Levy, a New York-based makeup artist whose visionary work with prominent faces and brands sets trend directions. Romero Jennings, MAC Cosmetics Director of Makeup Artistry, known for creating universally flattering, edgy looks. Dick Page, veteran artist celebrated for high-profile editorial and commercial makeup creations. Christian Siriano, innovative designer responsible for integrating geometric beauty and fashion on his runways. Vincent Okendo, makeup artist and beauty show host, bringing celebrity and industry insights to the public. Why trust this guide? Beth Gillette, Cosmopolitan's beauty editor with over 7 years of specialized experience, brings you thoroughly researched makeup trends and expert insights. From smudge-proof eyeliners to radiantly wearable looks inspired by pop culture, her expertise ensures you get trustworthy, up-to-date beauty advice.